Hello guys, welcome back again to Electronics TV. Okay, let's have voltage divider and current divider examples. So, dito sa mga following circuits, pinapahanap natin yung ating voltages and currents. And ang una natin gagawin sa lahat ng mga example circuits ay kunin ang kanilang R equivalent or R total. Okay, example number 1, makikita nyo meron tayong series connection, therefore our R total is equivalent to just the summation of the two resistors R1, R2 having 10 ohms plus 10 ohms respectively, we have 20 ohms. Alright? And then pinapahanap sa atin yung ating current. And in series connection, we all know that current is the same for all the elements with the input current. So let's have here just to know what are those current. Lagyan natin silang pangalan. I1 flowing sa R1, I2 flowing sa R2. They are all equal. Let us just put lang no, that I in equal to our I1 equal to I2. So, madali na yan. No? And then, we can also find yung ating voltages across elements. Across R1 is B1. B2 is across R2. Now, we can use the voltage divider formula that we derived from the previous discussion. So, B1 is equal to B in times R1 all over R total. Okay? And R total naman natin ngayon ay R1, R2. So, you can just directly write this one, R1 plus R2. So, ang BE natin na given ay 5 volts. We have R1 10 ohms. And then, the total of R1, R2 is 20 ohms. So, meron na tayo ngayong 2.5 volts for B1. Of course, dito na-cancel lang yung kanilang ohmic unit. Right? B2. Let's have B2. And the formula is almost the same, no? Except yung numerator natin ay R2 over R1 plus R2. So, 5 volts input, R2 is 10 ohms, close natin sa parenthesis, no? And the summation of these two, R1, R2 is 20 ohms. Again, cancel yung ohmic unit nila, matitira na lang sa atin ay voltage unit. So, this is 2.5 volts. So, in here, nagkaroon tayo, no, yung 5 volts natin nahati doon sa ating dalawang resistor. And as you can see, because we have two resistors with equal values, so ibig sabihin, yung voltage natin na 5 volts, mahati lang equally sa kanila. So, what is the current naman? So, yung current natin ay given I in. Okay? Pwede mong gamitin, no, kahit ano, meron ka ng V2, gamitin mo sa V2 divided by R2 or V1 divided by R1 kasi equal lang naman yung mga yan. I1 equals sa I2. I in equal I1 equal I2. Now, let's get yung our I in. Okay, I in is V in divided by R total. V in is 5 volts, R total is 20 ohms. So therefore, 5 divided by 20 is 0.25 or 250 milliampere. No? So yun yung ating I in, which is equal to I1 and I2. Okay, if you want to check 2.5 divided by 10, that is 250 milliamp as well. Now, let's go to number 2. Tapos na tayo sa ating number 1. Let's give it a check. Check, check, check. Okay? So, in here, hanapin muna natin yung ating R equivalent. We have two resistors. Okay? In parallel, ang formula natin dyan, R1, R2 over R1 plus R2. So, we have 20 ohms times 20 ohms. Okay? Divided by 20 ohms plus 20 ohms. So, we have here 400 ohms squared divided by 40 ohms. So, cancel dito ang isang ohm. Ang matitira sa taas ay ohm. Okay? So, we have 10 ohms as our R total. For example number 2, we are given a parallel circuit. And as we all know, meron tayo ditong current na total, tatawagin nating I in, at yan ay mahati sa dalawang current natin na dadaan for these two branch. Tawagin natin again, I1 flowing sa R1 and I2 flowing sa R2. Ang equal dito, pag meron tayong parallel, as we all know, ay yung mga voltages. So, Bin is equal to B1 equal to B2 as well. Ang gusto nating hanapin ngayon, yung ating Iin, okay, as our total current, and that is our Bin divided by our R total. Okay, what is our Bin? Meron tayong 10 volts divided by our R total is 10 ohms. Therefore, meron tayong Iin equivalent to 1 amp. O yan. Yung Iin ay mahati sa I1, I2. Now, we can use na yung ating current divider formula. I1 from the last discussion is Iin times R2 over R1 plus R2. Now, makikita nyo rito, since I1 kinukuha natin, ang ating nasa numerator ay R2. Okay, from the previous discussion. Iin is 1 amp. Okay, I have here 20 ohms divided by 40 ohms. No? So again, yung ohmic unit makakancel, matitira is ampere. So we have equivalent to 0.5 ampere, no? O 500 milliamps. Now, how about I2? Makukuha ba natin? I2 is equal to Iin. Ano nasa numerator natin? So, R1 over R1 plus R2. R1, okay, Iin pala, no? Iin, 1 amp times R1, 20 ohms. Okay, over 40 ohms. So, yan ilalabas din na 0.5 ampere. Now, makikita nyo rito, since meron tayong current divider, equal lang yung resistor, okay, equal lang din yung current na mahati sa kanila. Alright? So, what is our voltage, no, across R1 and R2? We all know, equal lang naman sila sa Bin. Ayan, no, Bin equals to B1 equals to B2. So, therefore, sila ay equal sa 10 volts. So, that is for two example, no? Let us have a check na pinapahanap sa ating voltage and current. Okay?